Do you care what others think about you? Let's think about this. You care so much about what others think about you because you are working under the assumption that people care about you just as much as you do. Well, my friend, welcome to reality. They don't. They are competing with people who are more personable, have better social skills, are more attractive because you are scared they are going to be better, liked by others than you. You are running your mood over this. Here's the truth. Nobody cares. Nobody cares unless they have a personal motive to care. You have rarely looked at how things are from the point of view of others. If you did, you would realize that the people you want to impress are barely afford to think about you. It is just like how you don't have a moment to spare for those who want to be liked by you. You haven't even thought of that, have you? There are people who want to be liked by me. There always are, but you rarely pay attention to them because their approval means seat to your self-worth, as opposed to the approval of those who are awesome in your eyes. The same applies to them. At the end of the day, they don't give a shit about you. People are most interested in their own lives. That does not mean they don't notice people around them. Well, they are interested in people around them because a lot of entertainment comes from people. It's called gossip, and we are social animals, but time and time again, never forget, people are most interested in their own shit. They are busy with their own shit, and they are constantly thinking about their own shit. You place very low in the list of important things to them unless you are their partner personally and professionally, or they have a strong personal motive. However important and powerful people do, they have the power of offering opportunities, which must be something you are interested in because of which you want to impress them. Here's a simple rule. Fuck whatever gossip goes around in their mind regarding you. Gossip gets discarded and replaced every day. Lasting impressions are formed by things they cannot ignore. So impress with abilities, not appearance. Abilities cannot be ignored. If one person happens to do so, there are always going to be other takers. You have to understand, people may not care about you, but they do make more observations, and their approval is nothing more than one of those many observations. They are not just sitting and thinking about you, but that observation does sit at the back of their head with chances of making a connection with an opportunity. And opportunities as a regard are much better than appreciation. Appreciation gives you momentary pleasure. Opportunities get you somewhere in life. So apply common sense and tell me which is better, doing anything to grab pointless attention or something that benefits you in life. Try to understand this. The day you can look at the bunch of people of competing with one another to be better in the eyes of someone and choose to not be a part of that game is the day you win the game mental battle of life. Look at that figure that you want to impress and see a person in them, nothing but a person just like other people you know. If they have the power to give you opportunities, then focus on what makes and capable to get that opportunity. Screw solving that person. But if you focus majorly on getting appreciation and approval from them, then you are going to focus on who else they appreciate and then probably compete with them. You will risk running your mood on days you perform well and did not receive your appreciation, and be more inclined to become their followers, their puppets and paws to their sims. You are accumulating self-worth from the appreciation of others. That is the root of your problem, not people who are better than you. So I think this video helps you a lot. So before you go, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.